Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is October 22nd, 2023, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the Dow 30 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendations here, even though I may talk about trade levels. If you're interested in trading, please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and contact us, and we can see if trading is something that's actually suitable for you. All right, let's just jump right over to the charts and jump in here and see what we see. I am seeing still a bearish looking market on the Dow and some of the other indexes also at this time. So right here on the Dow on the quarterly chart, we are above pivot. We're staying above pivot, but before I used to always say 360, and 360 here is the target that I think we would now look like we would not get above that. And this is one of my other targets that I was expecting us to at least hit, and we did hit it, and we came right back down. That's what I see right now in the big picture. So again, you know, there are certain things that you can do based on those levels and all, and based on the pivot and all, great strategies to play around that. No trade recommendation though there. And on the monthly chart, is the chart that we look at having the 10 or the 9 moving average. And if the market is below that level on a monthly picture, and which it is at this time, we say the market is bearish technically. Also, we're getting support now with the stochastic being at the top and turning over, and we got a complete body at this time midway through, almost at the end of the month of October. We are definitely bearish now. So this is what I see. Let's take a quick look at the weekly chart here. Weekly chart, zoom, zoom, zoom. I was thinking that you know, we could kind of turn around. You know, we was at the top. We was looking like we was getting some kind of pattern. But then after that, we kind of still returned bearish. We was getting kind of like a bullish pattern. It pulled back a little bit, then it go through. But we didn't get any follow through. And then all we did was just drop. We came down here and made like a little doji and a bounce off of support 1. This is off of a monthly pivot. So, and the stochastic is down here also. You know, we're looking at this weekly chart. But then we did get the green candle. But then this week, you know, we end up forming a bearish looking pattern, a bearish engulfing pattern, and a bearish engulfing pattern. It's in the wrong location, but it is what it is, and that's what I actually see. All right. So that's what I see. Let's go ahead and go down to the daily chart. And here on this daily chart, as we can see, you know, the first couple of days we look like, okay, we could go, but as you can see, we was at this weekly R1. We couldn't get above it. We opened right at it, went above it, came back below it, went above it again, it came back below, touched it, and then dropped for 3 days in a row. And plus our stochastic was at the top supporting, you know, this turn down in the market that we actually saw. So that's where we're at. We're almost, the thing is, we probably can drop a couple more days. We're going to be below pivot. So we got to see if this little demand area over here is going to actually support this market, and see if this also to support one level is going to help support this market. But we can see that the market is actually probably going to drop down a little bit more next week, and after that we're going to have to wait and see what actually happens. So that's what I see on the Dow at this time. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and that's all I want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Have a good one. Bye.